I remember stepping out of the house one time without my cap. Medyo nagpanic ako ng very light. I realized, hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-cap. I feel great and I'm very confident about how I look. Hi, my name is Niccolo Cosme. I'm a photographer and creative director. Nasa lahi talaga namin yung kalbo, no? Sobrang laki ng epekto nito sa akin, sa aking self-confidence. I can't go out of the house without having to fix my hair or having to wear a cap all the time. I initially explored the idea of traveling to Turkey, but there's a lot of questions in my mind. Ano mangyayari sa aftercare? Will I get really good results? Yun yung mga questions ko. And fortunately found Clinique de Paris. It answered a lot of the questions. It answered a lot of my hesitations doing hair transplant. As in, napawaw talaga ako. Although I've seen the results of other people, pero iba pa rin yung makikita mo yung sarili mo. It was really a life-changing experience for me. So after the hair restoration, I have a full hair and I was able to actually go to the barber to actually get a proper haircut. So I haven't done that in so many years, and that's something that I truly enjoyed. It's important to feel good when you look good, and I think that really boosts the confidence, and it affects the way you talk to people, it affects the way you present to people. For example, during my photo shoots, the ambience and the energy is much positive for sure when you have that energy.